Ever had your computer suddenly act up, files go missing, or apps crash without warning? It's frustrating, right? Well, today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to bringing your system back to life, no tech support needed. Hi my friends, I'm Mostafa from Valley 4 Tech's channel. Today we're diving into SFC and DISM, two powerful tools built into Windows that can fix missing or corrupted system files. And trust me, this is easier than you think. SFC, or System File Checker, scans your Windows system for missing or corrupted files, and automatically replaces them with the correct version. Think of it as a guardian angel for your PC. But, what if SFC isn't enough? That's where DISM, or Deployment Image Servicing and Management, comes in. It repairs the image that system depends on, if there are deeper issues ensuring your system is rock solid. If your system acts strange, apps not opening, random errors popping up, or even the dreaded blue screen of death, it's time to roll up your sleeves and use these tools. Let's fix this. First, open the command prompt as an administrator. Just type CMD into the search bar, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Now, type this command, SFC/scan now. Hit Enter from keyboard. The system will now scan your files. This process might take some time, so be patient. Once finished, you will see one of three messages. The first, no integrity violations found. As in our case here, so you do not need to take any action. The second, found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. As in this case here, it tells you that it successfully repaired all the corrupted files, and finally gives you the path to the registry where the system stored data about the files it repaired. You can copy this path, then press Windows+R to open the Run window, then paste the path and press Enter. It will open a text file with the repair logs in descending order, so if you have enough patience you can review this log. The third, Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. In this case, we'll need to use the DISM tool. Run command prompt as administrator, as we did before. Now, type the following commands in the same order. First command. DISM/online/cleanup-image/check health. This command performs a quick scan to see if there is any corruption in your Windows system images. This scan takes just a few seconds, and then tells you if any problems are detected. It does not fix any problems, it just detects them. Second command. DISM/online/cleanup-image/scan health. This command performs a more detailed and in-depth scan than the previous command. It looks for any corruption in your system files and analyzes them completely. It takes longer than the first command, about 10 to 15 minutes, and provides a detailed report on the status of your system files. Third command. DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. This is the most comprehensive and effective command. It does the following. Scans the system files completely. Attempts to repair any corrupted files that are found. Contacts Microsoft servers to obtain correct copies of the corrupted files. Replaces the corrupted files with healthy copies. This takes longer, up to 30 minutes or more, and requires an internet connection to complete the repair process. After completing these steps, Restart your computer and try running the SFC tool again, to ensure all issues are resolved. If the problems persist, you might need to consider reinstalling Windows entirely. And that's it. Your system is now good as new. No trips to the repair shop, no expensive software. Just 2 built-in tools you now know how to use. Wasn't it easy? If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share it with your friend who struggles with their computers, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell for more simple and powerful tech tips. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and keep your systems running smoothly.